In the ever-evolving world of machine vision solutions, a leading AI technology company faced a significant challenge. They needed a machine vision computer with a GPU card capable to run their edge AI vision software while withstanding harsh warehouse environments. Additionally, the solution needed to include a rugged touch panel monitor for human-machine interaction. In this case study, we will look at how Premio's cutting-edge industrial machine vision technology solved this customer's challenge. After addressing their concerns, Premio recommended the VCO 6000 CFL machine vision computer, paired with a modular touchscreen monitor, the VIO series. Configuring the VCO 6000 with the Intel Core i7 and NVIDIA RTX 4000 maximized the solution's compute performance, I/O capability, and graphic workload, checking off all the necessary requirements for a high-performing machine vision computer. The VCO 6000 provided the customer with all needed expansion for an easy application. With 3 PCIe expansion slots, a 10 GB Ethernet card for high-speed communication, and even a front-accessible I/O slot for easier installation. The VIO series allowed the customer to fully adhere a rugged panel touchscreen with the VCO 6000 for a complete factory floor solution. The VIO's rugged IP65 design allowed the customer to safely mount the panel in their harsh environment without having to worry about its durability. This solution enabled the customer to run their advanced machine vision software smoothly, and thanks to the VCO's I/O capability, it was even able to connect to real-time high-speed cameras to precisely track and reduce manufacturing errors. By securely integrating both the VCO 6000 CFL and the VIO touchscreen monitor, the customer optimized their system's performance durability. Premio leverages its 35 years of manufacturing expertise to ensure a rugged, purpose-built, and reliable computing system. Since both the AI machine vision company and Premio were local to one another, it allowed the two companies to provide swift turnaround times for immediate technical support and application deployment for their AI machine vision solution. Premio's seamless integration and reliable off-the-shelf solutions ensured that the customer's machine vision applications' needs were efficiently met, which resulted in turnkey computing success for the AI software company. Discover how Premio can address your hardware challenges at the rugged edge by connecting with our team of embedded and edge computing experts today at premioint.com.